you can enjoy this small stream. It's directly coming from the top of that mountain there. It is raining heavily because you can see the clouds over that mountains, and due to the rain over the mountains, the water is coming throughout this way and making this small stream like mesmerizing, beautiful. And this water is going to what we have previously shown, Avalanche Lake, towards that side. Let me zoom in. That lake you can see, yeah, that one. So inside that lake these waters are going. An awesome view here. Hope you enjoy the view.